here today at 4296 Morningside Way, right here in Canyon Lake Hills on the south side of Canyon Lake in this beautiful neighborhood. And this is a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it has all of the beautiful finishes. So come on in, take a look around this beautiful home. Welcome, come on in to 4296 Morningside Way. We're going to take a look at this beautiful open floor plan. This is the living area right here when you walk in the entrance of the house, and then on into this beautiful kitchen. This house has amazing coffered ceilings right here in the living room. It's got all the recessed lighting, beautiful chandelier here, and it's got these beautiful countertops here, granite countertops, coordinating backsplash with the tile backsplash. Great cabinets here in white, and the floor plan is master bedroom at the front with the bathroom, and then 2 bedrooms and a bath here. So we've got the split floor plan, and we'll take you on into the master bedroom next. So when you walk in the front door, take a sharp left, you're going to come right on back to the master bedroom and master bathroom. Come on in, take a look with me here. The colors of this home are so beautiful. Everything is so beautifully decorated. This master bedroom has the coffered ceilings. Of course, it's got the ceiling fan. Beautiful window here, letting in that natural light, and plenty of room and space throughout here. And then you come on back here to the master bathroom. We've got the dual vanity, the gorgeous granite countertop that matches the kitchen, and we've got a huge walk-in closet as well. Separate commode area, which is such a nice feature, as well as a huge walk-in shower and separate tub. So it's got everything you need right here in this master bath. Just off this beautiful spacious kitchen, the very far back of the house to the left is the laundry area. It's a very spacious laundry area, plenty of room for your washer dryer, hang some clothes. You've got the baskets. This is an exit to the backyard there, and then water heater closet over on your left. So this is very convenient, just located right here, directly off the kitchen. And here's another scan of the beautiful home from the kitchen going towards the street. It is just gorgeous. So when you come to the back half of the house and take a left, then right here, your first door on the left is going to be the second bath. It has a shower tub combo. It's got this gorgeous tile work, and it's got the beautiful vanity with the granite countertop as well, coordinating with the rest of the house. And then you come on over to the first bedroom, right next door to the bathroom, and it's got the ceiling fan, coordinating paint colors, and it is right next to this bathroom. And then the third bedroom here on the right is right next door. So this is such a great house. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, gives you everything you need right here in Canyon Lake Hills, the Texas Hill Country, and it is just beautifully done. So if you'd like to have a personal tour, give me a call. I'd love to give you a show.